For every new idea, the ultimate test is whether the thought becomes reality. From that first flash of insight to a product that people trust and use, the road can be long and complicated. For a biotech enterprise traveling that road, the workplace becomes increasingly critical.
The biggest need for any emerging company is a home where people can communicate and where they can feel secure that their work is unencumbered by the environment. But you also need an environment where people flow very easily, where the very elements of design enable you to communicate the issues that are of concern to you. That's what Technology Enterprise Park, we think, is affording us.
In one of the world's most encouraging cities for business, linked to a research university that leads the way in bringing new technology to the marketplace, there is a work environment designed to meet the unique needs of growing biotech companies. It is called Technology Enterprise Park. Technology Enterprise Park is different from other types of biotech workspace, different in design, different in functionality, different in understanding and delivering what biotech entrepreneurs need.
It provides a specialized facility of technically demanding space that can house laboratories or perhaps even small manufacturing facilities for companies that are going to be engaged in research and development activities to begin to build value in the life sciences.
It's a very dynamic environment that they're in, and they need to have a building that can change and respond to that kind of fast-changing climate. By putting the shafts to the perimeter of the building, we now have freed up the entire central zone of the building. It's a complete open space. Why is that good? Well, it means now your planning capabilities are tremendous.
A central spine provides ready access to lab services like hot and cold domestic water, chilled and hot water, conditioned air for HVAC equipment, and natural gas. And the same space can work as well for a company's offices.
That's why TEP was important for us. It was extremely well engineered, is extremely well engineered to permit the right environmental controls, the air handling, the filtration systems, the water system, the gas system, the disposal system. It's a machine, and it's a very complex and complicated machine that we as a pharmaceutical company require, and TEP provided that.
At Technology Enterprise Park, aesthetics blend with science to create an atmosphere that inspires on many levels.
They like nice space. They want to have natural light. They want to feel good in the spaces they work. The focus is on the companies and what their needs are.
A paramount need in biotech development is access to the best research minds and infrastructure. Technology Enterprise Park is affiliated with Georgia Tech, the country's leading university in the commercialization of technology research.
Georgia Tech has, for 25 years or so, operated the state's high-tech business incubator. It's called the Advanced Technology Development Center. In the last 5 years, we've created 51 new companies. But most recently, the Department of Commerce had a competition ranking incubators, and ATDC was ranked #1 in the country.
Conditions are right for biotech ventures to cluster around Georgia Tech, where interdisciplinary research is actively promoted and intellectual talent is abundant.
We already have interns inside of our company who are Georgia Tech based, and some of those interns have now become employees.
Biotech growth is evident throughout the Georgia Tech campus.
In the bio and nanotechnology area, we've probably invested well over $300 million in new facilities, probably added another $100 million in equipment. We had a willing partner in Emory University to work with us because they have a fine hospital, very much a strong research capability in the medical and biotech area. And we started in 1996, and today we just finished the 4th building. The facility that we have under construction right now is the Nanotechnology Research Center building, which will be about a $95 million building to house very unusual clean room space to be able to do work in nanotechnology, both in the inorganic space as well as in the organic space. In addition, we created a whole new department in biomedical engineering jointly with Emory University, and now it has upwards of 800 students.
The hospitals are outstanding here. The research that's conducted there, both at the basic and the clinical level, is world-class. Their ability to conduct clinical trials as well is outstanding.
What Technology Enterprise Park really represents is another important step in beginning to help commercialize that intellectual property and to provide an opportunity for companies to locate around this, all of this intellectual firepower that we have here at Georgia Tech and at these other universities and hospitals.
Technology Enterprise Park is designed as a landing place for those kind of companies where they can be located very near Georgia Tech, have very close interactions with our faculty and our students, and in many cases actually come in and use specialized facilities that they couldn't afford themselves. And already we're seeing exciting young companies coming into the first building, and we want to build multiple buildings on that site and see that whole idea blossom and grow into what it really has a great potential for.
In Technology Enterprise Park, a company will profit immensely from being in the heart of a city and state eager to help the biotech industry flourish. The business climate is second to none, with infrastructure for companies of any size or scope of operations.
Georgia has one of the great advantages of being a very pro-business state, a state that recognizes entrepreneurial activities, which is the centerpiece for biotechnology.
There are a number of entrepreneurial scientists and managers here in town. Venture capital is starting to flow in.
And Technology Enterprise Park is a place where companies can either be grown locally or can come in externally and find that kind of community that they need.
The community they need for doing great work, and for a quality of life that attracts top people and inspires their best efforts.
It would have been easier for us to found Atherogenics if we had had something like Technology Enterprise Park. I think that's the highest compliment I could give.
Today, that possibility is here. The choice of an environment designed around biotech needs, close to critical people and resources, uniquely supported step by step toward success in the marketplace. This is Technology Enterprise Park.